Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically calculate a service fee for the owner every time you complete a maintenance request on their behalf. To get started, go up to the Properties tab in the upper left corner, select View on the property that you wish to set up the automatic service fees, select the Owners tab, and scroll down to the section titled Service Fee. From here, select Add, and you're going to have the option to select the toggle to set up a per request service fee. From here, you have the option to set up a flat amount or a percentage. In this case, we're going to set up a flat amount. That way, I can automatically bill the owner a $10 service fee for handling that maintenance request. Once you're all set and you're happy with the settings, simply select Update. Congratulations, you have set up a service fee on TenantCloud. In order for the system to automatically generate a service fee invoice, you're going to need to have a ticket that is marked as resolved, and you'll need to open up the ticket, scroll down to the section underneath transactions, and in this case, because we're billing a flat fee, we can select Create. Select Confirm, and it will automatically create a maintenance fee in the amount of $10. And that is how easy it is to set up automatic calculation for service fees on TenantCloud. You can get started with a free trial by going to tenantcloud.com and click Sign Up today.